Let's kick off with tip number 1. First, solve on paper. So you must have heard about the advice that think twice and code once. That really applies in here. So what I need you to do is first you solve the question on paper, dry run the code, and then move towards solving it on the PC. Tip number 2, spending time. So you must spend time on each and every problem in programming contest. So when you are taking part in your first programming contest, you must first go through all the problems that are in the programming contest so that you get an idea which problem you can solve and which problem you can't. It isn't necessary to solve all the problems, and each problem has its own weightage. So decide what problem you are going to solve accordingly. Tip number 3, do not over optimize. So what I mean by that is, if you are able to solve a problem in your first programming contest, do not try to over optimize it. Because sometimes what happens is, when we solve the problem, we think that we can reduce its complexity a little more, but it's not the way to go while you are in the contest. So try to avoid that thing. Tip number 4, make templates. So before you enter your first programming contest, which I think you all should, I have a tip for you. So before you enter the contest, you must make templates. Go to different websites, try out all the algorithms and make personalized templates based on them. Tip number 5, always code in groups. Let me tell you why this is really important. So while you are taking part in your first programming contest, the solution might not strike you in the first try, but at the same time, your partner can get the solution. Competitive programming contests are all about solving as many problems as fast as possible, and so it is really important that you code in groups. So I have a bonus tip for you guys, or as I said, it's a first programming contest tip. So what I want you all to do is, after the contest is over, look for the solutions of the problems, each and every problem who was in the contest. What it will give you? It will give you 100 different ways to solve that particular problem. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in another one.